Hello, my name is Brett Davies. I'm a barrister and solicitor. Now, we have many times over the life of my career seen people, business owners, failing to put employment contracts in place because they don't believe what they do or what the person does is important. Here we had a situation where a secretary who became quite senior in the professional service practice was able to scamper away, was able to steal the client base from the professional services business. While that practice had put in place employment contracts for senior staff, they had not put employment contracts together for the secretaries. The secretaries that have all the corporate knowledge, how the systems operate. They put data onto their phone. And the courts have said that you as an employer have no rights unless you've got them in the employment contract. Otherwise you have no rights to seek eradication and removal of that data from the client's or from the secretary's smartphone. So what did we have here? We had a situation where the person was not bound by an employment contract and therefore the common law and government statutes, most importantly, prevail. Now, unfortunately, both the Liberal and Labor government in this country, both state and federal, are completely pro the employee, your employees. They're not pro you. So it's in the best interest of an employee not to sign an employment contract. It's in your best interest as an employer to have all your employees sign employment contracts because it only benefits you. All the laws of the land protect the employee. You need something to fight back with, and that's your employment agreement. Now, when you use Legal Consolidated, you're dealing directly with a law firm, therefore you retain legal professional privilege. You get legal advice as you build the document. Just telephone us and myself, one of our lawyers, will help you answer the questions because we are a law firm. You also gain the benefit directly of our law firm's professional indemnity insurance. You only get those things from a law firm. If you have an employment contract, then you have a lot more rights as an employer. Gardening leave, you can sack someone on the spot, frog march them off, and then pay them out. If you're required to pay them out over a 28-day period, they cannot work during that 28-day period. There's restraints of trade, which prohibit them from taking your systems, who your suppliers are, who the people in your suppliers are. It stops them from approaching your clients and the people that work within your clients' businesses. So if you want to protect yourself, make sure you have an employment contract. If you need more legal advice, please phone Legal Consolidated. Enjoy.